Are you considering replacement windows for your Newtown, Pennsylvania home, but not sure if you need to? Here are the top signs it's time to replace your old windows. When your current windows look old and outdated, it can take away from your home's exterior. Having new home replacement windows installed can improve your Bucks County home's overall appearance. If you have broken windows, window glass replacements can be an option, but it may be the best time for a complete window upgrade, especially if you have older single-pane windows that don't offer much in the way of energy efficiency. Hiring a window replacement service can also be beneficial if your energy bills are getting steadily higher. Upgrading from single-pane window styles to the best replacement windows is ideal. When your windows are hard to operate, it's time to search for window replacement in Newtown, Pennsylvania. The entire purpose of a window is to make it easy to ventilate your home and allow access to fresh air whenever you want. Contact Rosenello's Windows today at 215-244-3993 for your free estimate. We'll help you find the best replacement windows for your Bucks County home.